What's up mga besuap? How are you guys? So andito kami ngayon sa Canada. Babalik na ulit ako ngayon sa vlogging. And we're thinking of going to somewhere in Port Colborne para mag unwind and mag scooter. So tara, it will take 45 minutes from St. Catharines going to Port Colborne. Okay, see you there. Alright guys, 4 minutes punta dun sa destination natin. So masyado na tayong takbo natin is takbo chubby lang. O tingnan nyo, may windmill dito. 3 minutes na lang nasa location na tayo. Hindi yan doon pwede i-access ito.
Hindi, parang nasa gitna ng farm.
So, hindi ka pwede dito mag-stop.
Hindi.
Pwede.
May ano pa, road?
Meron. Pwede ka mag-stop dyan siguro.
Yeah, take a picture.
Oh, hindi, may mga fences. You're not allowed to go in there.
May gate, oo, may fence nga.
Papakita mo yung natin, mga gamit natin. So, we have 2 camping chairs. We have food. We also have our scooters. Badminton. Yeah, racket. What else? Clothes, extra clothes.
Fishing rods.
Fishing rods, yeah. And my electronic stuff. So, let's go. 2 minutes left. We're almost there. Solid. Alright guys, nasa Wayne Feet tayo. See? I know, right? Ganda oh. Ew. Pagod po. Oh, in fairness, oh, white sand oh.
White sand ka, no?
Taray. So here we are mga bestie. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mapa. So from St. Catharines going to Waynflete, it will take you about 40 minutes. Wala tong traffic dire-diretso lang. Here. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo. It's a Waynflete Lake Erie public beach. So it's public beach, no entrance, no pay parking, but I suggest that you have to be here as early as possible kasi yung public parking, it's limited. Probably more or less 40 to 50 cars that is limited doon sa parking lot nila, or else wala kayong mapaparkingan. So we'll show you the beach in a bit, okay? So, mga best, nakatulog kami. Like, for about 30 minutes, I think. Kasi hindi naman kami malalangoy, kasi wala namang problema lang dito. Is yung toilet. They have a toilet, but they're not clean. So, you should have your own, like, potty. Potty. Mga portable toilet, ganyan. Portable commode, mga ganon. So, habang nagpe-prepare kami ng food, our food for today, after namin magising, is itlog na maalat. Tapos kanin, for sure.
Skinless.
Skinless tocino. Homemade. So, kwento ko lang, 2 years din ako nawala sa pagbablog. And hindi ko na-disclose na magiging international student ako. So, international student ako for 2 years dito sa Canada. Nagstay ako sa Ontario. Nag-take ng business. Nag-take din ako ng healthcare na course, na program. So, good thing after graduate, and which is pinag-aral. Pinag-aral niya ako ng partner ko. May full-time job na. So, that's a good thing, di ba? And every day off, rest day, we have to make sure na from today moving forward na we're gonna go out, do camping, and do some stuff that we love to do. Traveling. And look at my food. Traveling. And let's see kung maikot natin yung Canada kasi I can't promise. We have different seasons here. So right now it's summer, matatapos na ang summer. And then, magpo-fall na, starting September. And then September, after fall, we have this winter season. So, yeah. For now, kakain muna kami ng lunch. And then after this, we're gonna go somewhere else. And then, probably, look for, other locations na pwede namin pantambayan since na 1 p.m. pa lang ngayon. Right? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, that's our itlog na maalat. And we have our tocino.
And the chicharon.
And the chicharon for sure.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's all for today. Di man tayo nakaswimming kasi walang toilet eh. Walang palitan. Next time, so we're thinking of buying stuff na pwedeng magamit for camping, for day or night tour, something like that. So, babalik kami sa beach na yon, pero next time, we have to make sure na kumpleto kami sa gamit. So for now, we're going to start buying things and then we'll let you know kung ano yung mga bagay na binili namin. And also, wala kaming ginastos for today. Okay? 0. Yung gas ko full tank pa din. Nagpa-full tank ako kagabi. So, $60. And then probably, siguro $10 will be fine yung natanggal sa gas ko. Pero nakalagay full tank pa din eh. And for the food, meron naman kaming stock. And then, ang kinain lang namin is yung homemade longganisa, tocino, and then itlog na maalat. So, that's all we just ate earlier. And then, we're going home. No, it's not. We're not going home. We're going to buy stuff like camping gears and things like that. Alright? See you in the next vlog, guys. See ya.
A peace.